Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Loisy and karibu back kwa wenye wamekuwa hapa. Karibu tena na mjisikie mko nyumbani. So guess who I met today. Guess who I met today. So guys, sijui kama mtanisikia vizuri juu kuna a bit windy, there is a lot of wind. Nenda pale kwa Voki West. I don't know if I'm supposed to say the name anyway. Nenda pale kucheck if my seats are there. And yeah. Okay guys, hope to akikiti yangu iko ready because I'm really frustrated. Hebu tuende tusikie vile wanasema. Because this is like the 5th time I'm here and I'm using a lot of money coming from where I naishi hadi Thika Road. I don't stay along Thika Road. Na nakuja by bus. I have a kid that I'm supposed to cook for and saizi ni around 5:30. I don't know hata nitafika home saa ngapi. Bang. Yeah, so guys, I'm chilling here cause nimeambiwa ametoka kidogo, kuna customer hata sijui time yenye atarudi, so let's wait kidogo. Guys, guess who I met? Guess who I met? Manze kuna giza hapa but yo, guess who I met? It's Dipolo na Doria. Like yo, none other than Doria Chege na Dibul na DJ manze nilipatana na those guys are amazing. Like wako mi sijui like ni tulipatana na alafu nilikuwa nimetoka kuwatch video yao ile yenye Doria Chege amefanya na Maureen ya prank. Sasa hebu imagine umetoka kuwatch mtu like sai then the next minute ndio hiyo. Manze acheni niuoneshe. Actually siku manage ku do a video ama kumwambia niongeleshe, tuliongea 2 1 2 3 behind the camera, then we took 2 to 3 photos there, then boom tukasema kwa heri. But what I was so excited because guys I was really down by that moment, but vile niliona nikacheer up. So yeah, big up and thanks a lot Doria. Yeah. Hello guys, today is the next day. Yeah, so guys, I want to nimetoka soko and nionyeshe venye mi pack my groceries, my vegetables kwa fridge. So saa hizi actually I was in the process. Let me show you guys penye nimefikisha. So guys, nimetoanisha hizi maganda za juu na nikakata this part, so nimebakisha kapart kadogo, alafu hii part nikachukua kitchen towel. Ito paper towel ama kitchen towel, hii kitu yenye inakanga serviette ya kitchen, nikaiweka ikuwe dam, alafu nitachukua this paper. Hii ni paper ya yenye mi hutumia kuweka kwa fridge. So acha nionyeshe vile nitadu.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
So guys, I have my skuma wiki here, my spinach here, and my cabbage here. So I want to put them in the fridge. So let's do it together. Yep. So guys, as I was editing this video, I realized I don't have an ending. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye guys.